Hello and welcome to Soulmate Coach Crystal, where we learn to attract, create, and maintain relationships that are lasting and loving. Attraction, creation, and maintenance are the three big chunks of any lasting, loving, fulfilling, just rewarding relationship. And I liken it to building a house. And the attraction part is about the work we do on ourselves. It's about becoming the person that we need to be to have the kind of relationship that we want to have. And I liken it to blueprints. When you decide you want to build a home, well, the first thing you do is you lay down the foundation by creating blueprints. You don't just go and start haphazardly building a home with no plans and no structure. You get certain things straight first. And so that's what I look at the attraction phase as. And now the creation phase is the actual building of the home. And the creation phase in our relationship is the actual construction of the relationship. We've met the person, we've fallen in love, and now we're going to set about creating the relationship. We're going to create the tone. We're going to create how we speak to each other. We're going to create what our activities will be, where we will go, what we will do. We will maybe create if we're going to have children, how many children we're going to have. We will actively create who's going to work, how much are we going to work. And this isn't a plan that's set in stone, but it's a plan that we come back to and we revisit as we grow, and certain things need to be recreated. And so that is like the building phase of your home. And then once you've built your home, you have this beautiful home, but it's just not going to stand on its own. Maintenance is required. The roof is going to need to be replaced from time to time. You're going to have to take time to sand those floors down every now and again if you want them to have the gleam and the luster that you want if you want them to shine. And so it's the same way in a relationship. We're going to have to take time to go back in and say those kind words that help to keep the relationship moving along, and acknowledge and support and all of those things that maintain what you have created. Sometimes we can be really good on the attraction and creation part, and then we destroy what we create through lack of maintenance. We drift apart. We don't put the time and energy into each other anymore, and so we destroy what we create. And it can be any various combination. Some people can attract, but they're really not that great at creating. Some people can create and they're really good at maintaining, but the attraction part just isn't there. And so all three come together to create a relationship that is lasting and fulfilling. And so that's just a definition of the attraction, the creation, and the maintenance. And if you want to reach me, I can be reached at soulmatecoachcrystal@gmail.com. I also can be reached on my website at soulmatecoachcrystal.bpweb.com. Thank you for stopping through today, and we'll talk soon. Much love.